Hey everybody, just jumping on to give you guys a few little tips for this midweek tax help this week. Want to talk a little bit about unemployment and how it affects your tax returns. We'll give everybody a couple more minutes to kind of jump on and just kind of see. And then that way I can take some questions if you guys have any. Just wait a couple minutes. All right, I don't know who just joined. Hi, thanks for jumping on. Trying to work this live thing. I don't really do this often, so yeah. Oh, hey, Shashawn. Just wait like one more minute. So like at 11, oh, it's 11:03 now. I was gonna say at 11:03. All right, so today I'll be respectful of everyone's time. I just want to do a quick little live video and kind of talk to you guys a little bit about unemployment and how it affects your tax returns, because I get a lot of questions about it. And I have quite a few clients that needed to sign up and receive unemployment benefits due to, of course, the pandemic and everything and being forced to not work and stay at home. So, just wanted to kind of come here and kind of clear the air a little bit so people understand how unemployment works. And so, and then I'll give you a chance to ask some basic tax questions that you may have. So again, welcome to this week's midweek tax help. My name is Latoya Tillett, owner of Tax Plus Financial Services. So, hey, bye. Okay, so if you received unemployment benefits, whether you received them ever in your life or just during 2020, during the pandemic year and everything, unemployment is taxable. Okay, a lot of people don't understand that, and they're like, hey, I've got unemployment, blah blah blah, and then I do their taxes and they try to figure out why they owe money. Here's why. When you're completing, hey LaShawn, that's my cousin, y'all. Okay, when you're completing your certifications every week for unemployment, there's a little checkbox at the bottom. A lot of people either overlook on purpose or they just don't want to check it because they're not sure. That little checkbox asks if you would like federal taxes withheld from your unemployment benefits. If you don't check that box, they don't take out any taxes. A lot of people have their reasons for it. It's like, oh, I need all my money and, whatever the case may be. Let me tell you how that's going to hurt you during tax season. When you don't check that box to have federal income taxes withheld from your unemployment benefits, you're going to get taxed on all the money you received. So this past year, the pandemic, they were giving out, pandemic unemployment benefits to people who were business owners or sole proprietors, people who lost their jobs. Everyone was getting, not everyone, but you know what I mean. A lot of people were getting unemployment, and a lot of them were getting the additional $600 a week on top of their regular benefit amount. You're going to be taxed on all of that money. That was not free money. That was not money just to help you out. You're going to be taxed on that money. Let me tell you how it works. So looking at it, earning income without it being taxed is the same as self-employment income. Self-employment income is if you're working a side gig or you actually have a business or you're a realtor or some type of position like that where you get paid either by 1099 or cash. So your unemployment on your tax return this year is going to look like you made all that money in cash. And they are taxing all of it. The pandemic unemployment portion of it, the extra $600, your regular amount, all of that is being taxed. So if you neglected to have federal income taxes withheld from those unemployment benefits every couple of weeks, you're going to be hit really hard during tax season because it's going to look like you made whatever the amount may be. It may be $10,000, it may be $15,000, maybe $20,000. Whatever amount you made, it's going to look like you made that amount from self-employment. And that's going to cause you to either owe taxes well, more than likely you're going to end up owing if you didn't have any taxes taken out, and if you lost your job and you worked nowhere else, if you don't have any withholdings prior to your getting on unemployment, if you don't have any withholdings from that to try to help you out a little bit, you're going to end up owing taxes. I just wanted to let everybody know, kind of clear the air up a little bit so you understand how unemployment works. I know that there's been some extensions that have been given out. So if you have been extended, listen to me. Starting now with your first certification of 2021, check the box. Have them withhold income taxes because you don't want to be hit with that next year. This year, I feel like it's going to hit a lot of my clients really hard, the ones that didn't know or didn't understand. I tried to let as many people know as possible, but I just kind of wanted to give you guys an idea of what you'll be looking at for this current tax season. Anybody have any like basic questions I can ask or any questions about unemployment? Just type them right there in the feed and then I'll answer them. So I just want to make sure everybody understands that. You are going to be taxed on your unemployment benefits no matter what amount you received, okay? So yeah, every 2 weeks, check the box where it says federal to withhold federal income taxes. Please mark that box. It will save you a big headache in the future. So doesn't really look like anybody has any questions. If you catch the replay of this, just please kind of take notes and make sure going forward, if you have not been having taxes deducted from your unemployment, please make sure you start doing that right away because it's going to help you. I'm sorry I didn't get it out there to all you guys last year. You know, when it was happening in the thick of it, you know, everybody was going through something. We all had our own stuff going on. And, you know, I kind of feel a little bit bad that I didn't get to reach out to everybody to let you guys know how this was working. Yes, I do. I have a tax company. So aside from the real estate business and the commercial lending, yes, I do own a tax company. So yes, please, 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 you know, again, she says, so people who collected unemployment won't be able to file taxes. No, you're going to have to file taxes because your unemployment is taxable. So you have to file taxes. You're going to receive a form called 1099-G from EDD, and they're going to send that out, and that's what you're going to use to file on your tax returns. What I was saying, the problem with it is that if you didn't have them take taxes out of your unemployment, it's going to probably cause you to owe taxes. Hey, LaJoy. You still have to file taxes. Even if you got unemployment, you still file your taxes. All right, so it seems like hopefully that's clear for everybody. If it's not, feel free to always either message me, or if you have my phone number, text me, or you can text me at 909-494-2280, and we can set up a time to chat so we can go over your particular tax situation, so we can see how, you know, if you have any effects or negative effects from it, or any positive effects. You just never really know. But in all honesty, okay. Yes, that's fine. Go ahead and feel free to reach out. Once again, 909-494-2280. Shoot me a text there. And then we can, you know, and just say, hey, I want a tax consultation. And I'll make sure to get you guys set up. Hey, LaJoy, I know, right? It has been forever. I haven't talked to you and seen you guys in like, well, other than on social media. I feel like I haven't seen y'all in forever. I hope you're doing well. How are the babies? So yes, please everybody make sure. Okay, sounds good. So yeah, you can get it, you know, get my number from your mom. I know you guys have my personal cell. I was giving out my business cell number. So you can hit me on my personal line. That's fine. But yes. Again, if you're joining late, we were talking about unemployment and how it affects your tax returns. If you did not have federal income taxes withheld from your unemployment benefits every 2 weeks when you receive them, you are more than likely going to end up owing money on your tax returns when you file this year, unless you have some other types of write-offs or anything else that you did prior to starting to receive unemployment. Again, please, the phone number 909-494-2280. So if your unemployment has been extended into this year, I know some people got extensions until like March, some maybe until like May of 2021. Please mark the box. Let them take taxes. Yes, that's correct. So please let them take taxes out of your unemployment money so you won't owe so much in taxes. Okay, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. If you guys don't have any other questions or you need to talk to me about your own tax situation, I would rather you do that privately than publicly. So feel free to reach out again, 909-494-2280. This is Latoya Tillett, Tax Plus Financial Services, and this was your midweek tax help. See y'all later.